Alright, so what you're going to get with this is a grip, a middle part, a barrel, your two tips. You're going to get two of these sides that will actually later be glued on right here. You're going to get the back sight, which eventually will go back here. And this part, which is a cap for under here. This is open in case you wanted to put any electronics in it or anything like that. And then the last part is this guy, which is the torque scope that goes on top. So the first thing that we want to do is actually take off all these supports. All these parts come off. This should look something like this. These are some of the tools that I use when I'm breaking off the support material. X-Acto blade, some pliers, some files, a Dremel, and clippers. Alright, we made it. So we're done with the painting, the priming of this. It's nice and smooth. So the process was I put putty on it and then would sand it and then would paint over that with the body filler paint. I did that 2 times, and then after that I just stopped putting the drywall putty on it because I didn't really need to. It was smooth enough. And then I did 4 more coats with sanding in between, of a mixture between 400 grit and 800 grit. 600 grit would probably be better than 800 grit. It gets really filled up really quick. But I did that 4 more times and then it's smooth. So pretty much just do that as many times as you need until you feel good about how smooth it is, and then we'll get ready to paint. The last thing that's left to glue on here is just these 2 little pieces. So we'll wait till the end to glue those on just because they're so fragile. All right, let's start painting. All right, we're done. So here's the finished prop. Turned out really good. Can't even tell it's 3D printed anymore. Really happy with the results. So I hope that yours turns out as good. And if you have any questions when you're putting yours together, feel free to reach out. And thanks for watching.